Hello everyone! Hungary is a country that I associate with peppers, langos, Tokaj, charming Budapest, Icarus buses, Rubik Cube. Stefan Batory was a Hungarian and was one of the best Polish kings in the history of my country. Balaton Lake, Polish-Hungarian friendship. There's a proverb in Hungarian and Polish languages. It is Polish-Hungarian two good friends fighting and drinking wine together. And knives made by Mr. Zoltan Jeru, better known as GZ Custom Blades. Today I have a review of the prototype, the final version of the knife designed by this maker, also mass-produced by the American company Cobratec and by Zoltan himself in a custom version modeled pocket Bowie. In the set, a sticker, the sheet is made of grey kydex with an engraved logo, GZ. 6 holes give the possibility to carry the knife in various ways. A belt loop. The sheet itself holds the knife perfectly. This is by far the best kydex sheet I've ever owned. Total length is 16.6 centimeters, blade length is 8.5 centimeters, blade thickness is 3.5 millimeters. The steel of the knife is VG10. It is a very good Japanese stainless steel, tempered to approx 60 HRC. Flat grind, Bowie steel blade, black Tini coating. On the blade the logo and name GZ Custom Blades. On the other side, the inscription, prototype. The handle scales are made of black G10 with 5 holes to reduce the knife weight. The first and the last holes have a sleeve in them. Nicely profiled handle, 4-finger grip, even though I have a large hands. In summary, this isn't intended to be a neck knife, and it's not even offered as such. It's intended to be worn on a belt or in the pocket, as the name suggests. However, I carry it on my neck. Even the sheet was customized specifically for me, for which I would like to thank Zoltan. Great job! A cool original aggressive design. A truly well thought out knife. You can feel its solidity. As I said, you can also order a custom version of this knife directly from Zoltan, made of 52100 steel and a Cerakote coating. The thickness of the blade and type of the steel are a perfect combination, not only for light EDC tasks, but also for heavy work in the field. I definitely recommend this knife. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.